everyone. Welcome back to SunnyTalk English Podcast.
Hello, friends. I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna.
Let's talk English the fun way.
Today, our topic is very close to the heart. Family.
Yes, family is everything. We all have people we love and care for.
That's right. Let's talk about our families, describe them, and learn how to use family words in daily English.
So, Anna, tell me about your family.
Sure. I live with my parents and my younger brother.
How old is your brother?
He's 16. He's in high school.
Nice. Is he talkative or quiet?
He's quite talkative. He loves music and plays guitar every day.
Sounds fun. I also have one sister. She's older than me by 2 years.
Oh, really? What does she do?
She's a nurse. She works at a hospital.
Do you live with your parents, Tom?
No, I live alone now, but I visit my parents every weekend.
That's nice. What do you usually do when you visit them?
We have dinner together, watch movies, and talk about our week.
Sounds cozy. I think spending time with family is very important.
I agree. Family gives us love and support.
What does your family like to do together?
We love cooking together. My dad is a great cook.
Wow, what does he cook?
He makes delicious barbecue and noodles.
That's great. My mom loves gardening. We spend weekends planting flowers and vegetables.
That sounds peaceful. Does your family travel together?
Yes, we try to travel once a year. We like the beach.
Tell me about your parents, Anna.
My father is an engineer. He's hardworking but funny. My mom is a teacher. She's very kind and patient.
That's lovely. My dad is retired now, but he used to be a taxi driver.
Really? That's interesting. And your mom?
She's a housewife. She loves cooking and watching TV dramas.
Same as my mom. Do you want to have children in the future, Tom?
Of course, I want two, one boy and one girl.
Oh, perfect balance. What would you teach them first?
Maybe how to be kind and honest. And you?
I'd teach them to respect others and enjoy learning new things.
That's beautiful. Family values are so important.
Let's talk about extended families, grandparents, cousins, aunts, and uncles.
Sure, my grandparents live in the countryside. I visit them every summer.
That's sweet. What do you do there?
We go fishing, cook together, and sit outside in the garden.
Sounds lovely. I also visit my grandparents on holidays. They always tell funny stories from the past.
Grandparents are amazing. They have so much wisdom.
Okay, listeners, your turn. Let's practice. Answer these questions out loud. Who is in your family?
Do you live with your parents?
What does your father or mother do?
How often do you visit your grandparents?
What activities do you do together as a family?
Great job, everyone.
Remember, family isn't just people who live together. It's people who love and support you.
That's right. Take care of your family and they'll take care of you.
That's all for today's episode, talking about family.
We hope you learned new words and phrases to talk about your family in English.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
And tell us, how do you spend time with your family?
See you next time on
Sunny Talk
Sunny
English Podcast.